How to reset your Goodman HVAC unit.
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about resetting your Goodman HVAC unit. This is a simple task that can solve several minor issues you may be experiencing with your system. However, please remember that if your unit is repeatedly tripping or encountering issues, you should call a professional HVAC technician to ensure there aren't any severe problems that need to be addressed. Now, let's dive into the process.
When should you reset your Goodman HVAC unit?
Resetting your HVAC unit can help when you're experiencing minor operational problems such as the system not turning on, the unit not producing cold or warm air, or the unit running intermittently. Resetting your unit is often a primary troubleshooting step that can help your unit get back to its normal operation.
What do you need to reset your Goodman HVAC unit?
The only thing you need to reset your Goodman HVAC unit is access to the unit itself, and specifically, to its circuit breaker and reset button. The reset button is typically located on the outdoor unit.
How to reset your Goodman HVAC unit.
Before you start, make sure your HVAC system is turned off. Here is a step-by-step guide on resetting your Goodman HVAC unit. 1. Turn off the Goodman HVAC unit from your thermostat. 2. Go to your home's main electrical panel. Find the circuit that powers your HVAC system and flip it to the off position. Leave it off for about 30 seconds. 3. Flip the circuit back to the on position. 4. Now go to your outdoor HVAC unit. Find the reset button on it, which is usually a red button labeled Reset. 5. Press the reset button. If your unit has a delay, wait for about 5 minutes. 6. Go back to your thermostat and turn the HVAC system back on. Please note that the steps may vary slightly depending on the specific model of your Goodman HVAC unit. And there you have it. That's how you reset your Goodman HVAC unit. Remember, if the problems persist after resetting your unit, it may indicate a more serious issue and you should call a professional HVAC technician for a thorough diagnosis and repair. We hope this video has been helpful and makes managing your HVAC unit a little easier.